So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can delete your contacts in iPhone. It has never been easy to use iOS, but I will make it easy for you today. As you can see that I am on iOS version 18.5. So if you are on this or a newer version of iOS, then the process will be the same just like me. But even if you have an older version of iOS, the process is almost going to be the same. So let's dive into it. If I open up my contact list from here, and if I want to delete a contact, for example, I want to delete this contact. If I tap and hold on it, you can see that there is no option to delete this contact. So what you have to do is tap on the contact and tap on this edit button available at the top right corner of the screen and scroll through the end. And at the end of this page, you'll get this delete contact button. I know that this is very complicated and lengthy process, but it is what it is. But let me tell you another thing. If you search a contact here, then you don't get any option to delete by tapping and holding on it. But if you did not search anything and you are in this list, then when you want to delete a contact, you have to simply tap and hold on it, and now it gives us option to delete this contact. So what is the difference? When you search a contact from this search bar, it does not give you the option to delete directly. You have to go into this edit button to delete it. But if you are just scrolling through this list, then you can simply tap and hold on it and delete the contact. And now if you are looking to batch delete multiple phone numbers, there's not any option to do so in iPhone yet. This is the maximum you can do. If you simply want to speed up the process, just don't search any contact and simply tap and hold on the contact and delete contact by scrolling through this list. Thank you so much.